Oh, we're gonna do it. Holy shit. Well, this one's gonna be an absolute barn burner, so I want you to count it loud with me. Let's count it down. 5, 4. This following contest is a singles match scheduled for one fall.
Oh, shit.
Hailing from El Paso, Texas, she is the sweetest of them all, Dulce Tormenta! Japan. She is the magic girl, Yuka Sakazaki!
Underway here. Kelsey Rosen joining us in the booth. Welcome, Kelsey. Great set.
Soup! That's all I can think about now is fucking soup.
We're going to mix these two soups right here. Dulce Tormenta, Yuka Sakazaki.
Here we go.
Tying it up here in the ring.
There we go. Test the strength to start things off.
Oh, having a little mercy. Oh!
Tormenta using that size advantage, the height advantage.
Whoa!
Ooh. Nicely done. Irish whip.
That's some great ring awareness. Oh! So much glitter just came off of Yuka Sakazaki after that.
Good luck explaining that to your wife, ref. Nice sunset, what was that, a sunset cartwheel?
Oh!
Oh, again.
Kelsey, who's your pick for this match?
Nice roll up. 1, 2, this is it. No. Only a 2.
Right now we're at a stalemate here. Oh! Dang. Yuka now firmly in control. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Discombobulating Tormenta.
Whoa!
You spin me right round, baby, right round.
When I do that move in bed, I call it the Tasmanian devil.
Yuka climbing the top rope. Tormenta wisely rolling back in and cutting her off.
Whoa!
To the outside, Tormenta.
Whoa! My God.
Tormenta taking her out. Both ladies down.
Dealing
Holy
out
shit is right.
the Tormenta. Whoa! Yuka's just too fast. Tuning up the band. Here comes Yuka Sakazaki. Yuka's gonna fly.
What a drop kick.
It's still flying even if you go through the second and bottom rope.
Yuka climbing that top rope, the literal fucking rope. Oh my God!
I think that was it. That was a vicious top rope headbutt splash
Thing.
It was an attack. First she protect, then she attack.
Tormenta in. Yuka hooks the leg. 1, 2. No. Only 2. There we go. Some Dulce chants out there in the crowd.
She found the clitoris.
The wily and elusive.
What is Yuka gonna do?
Uh-oh. Standoff.
It's gonna be a triangle choke. Bartering with the referee.
Remember those?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The referee says it's cool.
Yeah, hey.
It's cool, man.
The referee's basically just a politician. You can pay him to look the other way.
And there it is. Oh my God. She just bullshitted the shit out of that referee.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, what a kick.
Dulce rolling through that. Oh, I think Yuka's got a toothache. She's choking. Yeah.
Tormenta's pissed.
We were talking about selective rules up at the top of the show. You missed it.
Is
Not
choking
happy.
against the rules?
Not in this house. Ow.
Misses the chop. Tormenta with those rapid forearms.
Oh! I like that sound.
I think they want to see it again.
They might, but can they?
Do they want to see it again?
Can they stay quiet enough to hear it?
Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up.
God damn. Yuka Sakazaki somehow kicking out of that furious attack by Dulce.
Tormenta cannot believe it was only 3.
Dulce's pissed. She was choked earlier. And Yuka's just on the back foot since then.
Back to the corner. Oh, shot to the back of the head. Nice bridge, hooking the German.
Couldn't get all of it. It was very clearly 2. I know where wrestling fans have trouble counting.
Apparently the audience can't count.
think Dulce is ready to back that thing up.
Oh, Tormenta caught it before she made a mistake.
Oh.
And Yuka Sakazaki now firmly back in control, going up to the top rope.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
How graceful.
Drop kick, Tormenta down.
Okay.
What is Yuka doing?
Oh, Dulce is fighting with one arm behind her back there.
Yuka about to pick up that victory. You can sense it. Tormenta, nice reversal.
Not enough.
Uh-oh.
Not enough. Somebody put on some Tim Allen, huh? That's what I said.
The referee's going to get his ass kicked in the parking lot later. Almost a victory there for Yuka. Small package. Backslide.
Oh,
Close.
so close. Yuka Sakazaki pulling out all the stops here. Time for a pose down. A little bit of a forearm shiver.
About to see who has the strongest right hook or right elbow. I don't know anatomy. Here we go, Yuka taking over. Tormenta in control.
Whoa! Speaking of Tasmanian Devil, did a little spinneroonie there.
Both ladies down.
Oh my God.
Come on, Oriental Theater, you can get louder than that.
What happens now?
If they don't get up by 10,
They roll around?
they both lose. It's a tie.
It's a double DQ.
There we go. Yes!
Yuka up.
Ah!
With the kip up, Yuka back to her feet first, regains control
And this
here.
time,
This move is called the Labubu.
oh, round and round she goes.
Oh. A tornado just face plant here.
Yuka sensing
Oh
the
my God!
end.
And the winner of the match, the magical Yuka Sakazaki!
Picking up Dulce's corpse.
Where's that doctor? We need an appendectomy.
No love lost here. No love lost here.
You had to go fix a ring somewhere else.